Thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you guys what helped me start my vehicle. So I did timing, I did all new timing guides, I did cam phasers, everything. I was stressing out about it. One of my cams I was holding with vice grips, it moved, and I moved it back, and I thought that would mess something up. I don't know internal engines too well, but that was not my issue. So as you know, there's timing videos out there. Sadly, mine's back on. I can't show you, but you'll have an R on the side for right. It needs to point at the black chain. Same for left, points at black chain, and then your sprocket down here, whatever it's called. Mine's still at about the same position, and your dot would be about down here in the middle. You can't see it right now, but that should be pointing at your black chains also. When that is in time, you know it's in time that way. You really can't. I mean, it's hard to mess up. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there. Now, mine would never started, so this could be your issue. It doesn't start. So a lot of things, most importantly, if it's just cranking but it doesn't fire, it may be your crankshaft position sensor, which if I can zoom in, it's down there. So I took mine out, and I'll show you what it looks like. I bought a new one and really never had to put it in. It was just super dirty. This is what it's going to look like. You have to, for your AC condenser, you have to loosen all 3 bolts and just move it down a little. You don't have to take it all the way out. And I just cleaned it because there was so much debris, and I don't understand why. That's a brand new one I put in like 6 months ago. Anyways, I put that in, and it fired right up. So hopefully that helps you guys. Also, make sure all your wires are plugged in right. I'll kind of show you guys the wires in case. This will go to the intake, or the air intake, but I'll try to show you guys kind of a layout just in case, because you guys could have problems in different spots, and that's kind of how I was, and there's not a lot of videos out there that kind of have a walk around of stuff. So I know there's a lot of things here. Any questions, feel free to ask. Also, make sure your cam position sensors, those are important too. Possibly clean them. Those are the easiest to do. Make sure your PCM wires are in too, because that'd cause a major issue. But you can start your car. I started my car like this. So if you guys want, I mean, basically, really you don't need anything on. I mean, you can tell mine's pretty plain. I just have the coils and plugs on and plug the majority of stuff in, but it saves you time from having to tear down, tear up, and put everything back together. So I hope this helps you guys. Any questions, feel free to ask. Also, I've got an Instagram, Dakotas_4.6. Any questions, I would be happy to help you guys, and good luck with your vehicle.